Good morning my little mangoes and welcome to another video. So today is day, I don't actually know, like day 15 of the Thai Fruit Festival, and it's been absolutely amazing. It keeps getting better and it's been even more amazing having Bo here to share it with me. And we're up ready to take on the day. We're going to the waterfalls and it's been just hectic, so we're gonna try and take it a little bit easy. We've had some water today already and we're gonna go fill up these big bottles at the water refill station. So yeah, we're gonna go off to the market now and get some breakfast. So we're here at the market now and just check out all of this durian. And what else have we got? We've got like heaps of pineapple. Watermelon for $1.
25 bahts, about one zone.
Bags of passion fruit for $1.
How much?
For $1.
Oh, yeah.
And where else are we going? And in here, what have we got? Cherimoyas. Rambutans. So much abundance. Pineapple, sarika. And we just got this passion fruit juice as a little snack. So just having my favorite coconut drink. This is so good, it's just pure coconut syrup. And I love it. And here are the mangoes we're going to have for breakfast. We're on the way to the waterfall with the crew. So, Keisha, Al, Jace, Lils, and the other peeps are in there. On their way. Eating some greens. Thanks Jason for the greens, he's the provider.
Clock tower door before everything changed. We were big-eyed boys with the salt on our skin, and we'd throw our kites.
We're here and it's like a beautiful rainforest. It's so pretty.
And on and on, on and on, and on. On and on and on.
How's the waterfall? There's the gang.
Just covered ourselves in the mud. We all look like mud men.
Yeah. Yeah, we bro.
Rise of the mud men. Me and Tish walked up to the other waterfalls. The others are hanging out there. Can you see them? We're gonna try and climb up there. How's your day been?
Really good.
That's good.
It's better that you showed up.
Aww. Oh, you're a sweet talker. Just having some bread for lunch. It's not much, but We didn't come prepared. So we're heading back now to the Song Tao. Ooh, that rhymed. We just finished up at the waterfalls and it's just been incredible being amongst nature and all this beautiful greenery here at the Mesa Waterfalls here in Chiang Mai, or just outside Chiang Mai. So peaceful and enjoying the waterfall and climbing some rocks. And Bo's behind me, I think he was taking some photos. I've got Tim and Bonnie coming. What do you think, Tim?
It's wicked.
Yeah, they're good, aren't they?
Swim, get out of the city for a bit.
Yeah.
Just to cool down, sit in the water, it's nice and fresh.
Yeah. We're gonna find another one as well. I think there's one on Doisa Tap.
Oh really? Oh yeah, there is two, like a quarter way up. Yeah. What do you think, Bon? Good. Great. Back in our favourite supermarket. Gonna get some snacks because we're pretty hungry. Didn't bring enough food to the waterfall. Big rookie mistake. So I'm here at the Q&A with Harley and Freelee. We're here at dinner now and we're here at the crew. Girl, hey girl, hey! Hey. And boys. Hey boy, hey!
Hey!
And yeah, we just ordered some food and yeah, I'll show you when I get it. So this is an entree, a little bit of bruschetta, tomato, basil on some bread, and they gave our rice out early. But, oh well. We've got like a soup and a curry coming as well. And here's a tom yum soup.
Do you have rice? 2 rice?
Is it? This is seriously the best tom yum soup I've ever had in my life. And now we're having dessert and I've got chocolate vegan cake and coconut ice cream.
Is it chocolate?
It's legitimately chocolate. Seriously, this is like the best chocolate cake I've ever had.
Is it? Oh, I'm gonna outbid him.
Seriously, guys. So we just got home and oh my gosh, dinner was epic. I don't usually miss chocolate, but today was an exception and I'm glad I got it because it was so worth it. And now I probably won't need chocolate for a very long time, so it was good that I had that little bit of a treat. Big day today. I feel like we haven't really had time to really relax and spend time together, but it's been good. It's been good and I feel like I'm back to eating enough and I've got my appetite back. How do you feel? Did you have a good day?
Yeah, busy day. It was a good day.
Yeah, and tomorrow we're literally gonna do nothing. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my little mangoes and I hope you enjoy these videos. Please click like if you want, so if you want me to still make these kind of vlogs, like what I ate vids, you know, because again, I'm not sure. Okay, anyways, love you. Mwah.